Okay, smartphone fans, what we have here is a welding kit, well, part of a welding kit. We have the auto-darkening welding helmet. We have a flint starter used to start up the torch. And we also have a smartphone. This is actually my wife's phone. I'm using my own phone to record this. So I'm using her phone as an example of what happened when I was using my smartphone as I was welding. Some of you may or may not know that the auto-darkening helmet is used to protect your eyes from flashing light from when you're doing a job welding. So you have the starter flint here as an example. It shows how it automatically darkens the visor. When I looked at the phone, I unlocked it and I noticed it started strobing in my face, and quite honestly, it started to make me feel a little nauseous. My wife's going to wiggle the screen up and down just to keep it on the lock screen so it doesn't turn off as we're showing this demonstration here. And one thing I noticed is that when I covered up, it's not the camera, but it's that little dot right above the speaker. And when you cover that dot, it stops strobing. It's not the camera. There's some sort of infrared sensor. I guess this is what's used to scan your face for facial recognition. The strobing is not created by her wiggling the screen up and down. It is done automatically. Of course, you have to be directly in front of the phone, as in using it. If you're at an angle, it doesn't really strobe. When you are directly in front of the smartphone, squarely in front of it, as if you're looking at your phone, it strobes. Cover up the dot, and it stops strobing. Uncover it, and it strobes. Interesting. Here it is again. Without the helmet, you don't notice any strobing. Thanks for watching.